After a 3-year blackout, the legend is finally back in the US. But forget the overhyped luxury trims. This is the exact new Toyota Land Cruiser you actually need to buy. Wrapped in this stunning retro heritage blue finish, it perfectly brings back the iconic old-school vibe. Watch till the end, because this spec completely rewrites the SUV game. Just take a look at this front design. Toyota absolutely nailed the final evolution of modern ruggedness. It's boxy, aggressive, and has a commanding presence that instantly grabs your attention. Those iconic headlights and the classic Toyota lettering across the grille look unbelievably sharp. But the real reason this machine dominates, the US market isn't just its looks, it's the unmatched reliability. Underneath this gorgeous front profile lies Toyota's legendary Go Anywhere DNA. It looks deeply sophisticated, yet it's completely built to survive the absolute toughest conditions on Earth without breaking a sweat. In a world where cars are starting to look like plastic toys, this brings back that genuine, mechanical soul we've all been missing. Walking around to the side, you truly appreciate the classic proportions of this new platform. The clean lines and vertical windows give it a legendary silhouette. But look at what grounds this beast, these rugged wheels and aggressive all-terrain tires. This setup isn't just for show, it provides an incredible stance that looks just as good parked on the streets of Los Angeles as it does climbing up a rocky mountain trail in Colorado. The beefy tires give it that perfect, authentic off-road edge everyone is looking for. It's built for the adventurous, the road trippers, and the people who actually want to get out there and explore the world with their family. Now check out the back. The rear styling keeps things clean, functional, and deeply powerful. The upright tailgate, signature premium LED taillights, and subtle badges give it a very high-end, heavy look from behind. It highlights the best features of modern utility. There's no unnecessary plastic or fake vents here, just pure, muscular Japanese engineering. Anyone driving behind you will instantly know this isn't just another soft family crossover. It's a serious machine built with honest, hard-working values. But seeing it driving on the open asphalt is where the magic really happens. The road presence is absolute perfection. The steering is incredibly sharp and responsive, making this big SUV feel effortless to handle. It glides down the highway with ultimate